Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade macarons. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, and granulated sugar. Precision is key in macaron making, so measure everything carefully. Having your ingredients at room temperature helps with emulsification and achieving the perfect batter consistency. This foundational step sets you up for delicious success. Next, we prepare the batter. Begin by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together to eliminate any lumps, ensuring a smooth shell. In a separate bowl, whip your egg whites, gradually adding granulated sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This meringue is the heart of your macaron. Carefully fold the dry ingredients into the meringue using a technique called macaronage until the batter flows like lava. Now for the fun part, piping and baking. Transfer your batter to a piping bag and pipe uniform circles, about 1 1/2 inches in diameter, onto parchment-lined baking sheets. Gently tap the trays on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Let the piped shells rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a skin forms. Then, bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit until they develop their signature feet. Finally, it's time to fill and enjoy your beautiful macarons. Ensure your baked shells are completely cool before attempting to fill them. Warm shells can lead to a messy disaster. You can use a variety of fillings like rich buttercream, smooth ganache, or tangy fruit curds. Pipe a small amount onto one shell and gently sandwich it with another. Let them mature in the fridge for 24 hours for optimal flavor and texture. And hey, while you're down there, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.